Tired of everyday chores taking forever? These 25 genius household gadgets will save you time, space, and stress. From smart kitchen tools to clever organizers, you'll wonder how you lived without them. Subscribe for more home hacks and check out the links below to grab yours. The Galaxy projector is your ticket to a soothing, starry escape right in your own room. It casts colorful aurora lights and drifting stars across your ceiling, turning your space into a peaceful, ambient haven. With soft LED effects that shift and swirl, it creates a dreamy atmosphere for relaxing, sleeping, or setting the vibe for a party. You can easily control the colors, brightness, and movement with the included remote. It even responds to sound, adding a fun, interactive touch. Plus, the timer and sleep mode let you enjoy the lights worry-free. Perfect for bedrooms, living rooms, or special moments, this little gadget brings calm and color into your world. The Tillock stainless steel measuring cups and spoons set is a must-have kitchen gadget for anyone who loves cooking or baking. Made from durable, food-grade stainless steel, this set includes all the essential sizes to help you measure dry or wet ingredients with precision. Each piece is clearly engraved with measurement markings, making your time in the kitchen easier and more efficient. They're stackable for easy storage and completely dishwasher-safe, saving you cleanup time. Whether you're whipping up a cake or trying out a new dinner recipe, this sleek, rust-resistant set is built to last and adds a touch of quality to your kitchen routine. The Roland Star coffee table combines retro style with modern functionality, featuring a lift-top design that creates a comfortable workspace while sitting on the sofa. It offers ample storage with a hidden compartment beneath the top, 2 drawers, and an open shelf to keep your items organized. The table's sturdy construction, made with high-quality materials, ensures durability and long-term use. With an easy assembly process and simple maintenance, it is a practical and stylish addition to any living room. The iVanki 4-in-1 wireless charging station is a sleek and efficient solution to charge multiple devices simultaneously. It offers fast wireless charging for iPhones, Apple Watches, and AirPods, ensuring each device charges independently without affecting performance. The charging station features an innovative nightlight design, adding a touch of style to any space while also serving a practical function. Compact and portable, it's perfect for travel and doubles as an adjustable phone holder for comfortable viewing. With built-in safety features like overcurrent and overheat protection, this charging station ensures your devices remain secure while charging. The Sharpal 191H pocket knife and scissors sharpener is a versatile kitchen tool designed to restore and sharpen both straight and serrated blades. It features a 3-stage sharpening system, with tungsten carbide blades for quick edge setting, ceramic blades for precision honing, and a specialized blade for scissors. Its enhanced suction base provides exceptional stability and safety during use, making it easy to operate without needing to hold it by hand. Compact and space-saving, this sharpener is perfect for any kitchen and offers a reliable solution for keeping your blades in top condition. Sharpal also provides excellent after-sale service, ensuring customer satisfaction. The Levo 2 herbal oil infusion machine simplifies the process of creating homemade infused oils, butters, tinctures, and more. With its all-in-one design, this machine allows you to dry, activate, and infuse your favorite herbs or botanicals effortlessly. The patented infusion process ensures no unwanted flavors or scents, leaving you with a clean, high-quality infusion every time. Its mess-free dispenser makes transferring your infusion to any container quick and easy, while the machine's compact size and user-friendly features make it suitable for both beginners and experts. With easy cleanup and durable, food-safe materials, the Levo 2 offers a powerful solution for making personalized, herbal-infused creations at home. The smart automatic cat feeder ensures your pet is fed at the right time, even when you're not around. With a large capacity, it can serve multiple meals a day for your cat or small dog, and you can customize portion sizes. The feeder features an easy-to-use LCD screen for simple setup and programming, along with a voice recording function to call your pet for mealtime. Designed with safety in mind, the feeder locks securely to prevent your pet from accessing the food prematurely, and it has a non-slip base for stability. The dual power supply ensures continued operation even during power outages, and its dishwasher-safe bowl makes cleaning a breeze. The Dores Shop LED night light offers a smart, energy-efficient solution for lighting your home at night. With a built-in sensor, it automatically turns on when it detects low light and off during the day. The brightness is adjustable, allowing you to customize the light from soft to brighter settings based on your needs. Designed to use minimal energy, it saves on electricity bills while providing enough illumination for hallways, bathrooms, bedrooms, and more. Its compact plug-in design ensures it won't block other outlets, and the durable, long-lasting plastic construction adds reliability. The simple, stylish design fits seamlessly into any room, making your home feel warm and cozy. The LifeWit Stackable Water Bottle Organizer provides an efficient storage solution for your kitchen, pantry, or fridge. The set of shelves is designed to hold a variety of bottle sizes, including water bottles, energy drinks, and wine. Its stackable design maximizes space and keeps bottles secure, preventing them from rolling around. Ideal for small spaces like apartments or trailers, the organizer is made from high-quality, shatterproof material that ensures durability and ease of cleaning. The patented interior design ensures bottles stay in place, offering both practicality and style. The Govee RGBIC table lamp offers vibrant, customizable lighting for your home. Compatible with Alexa and Google Assistant, it allows hands-free control using voice commands. The lamp features 43 scene modes for various occasions, from festive celebrations to relaxing environments. With its intuitive DIY mode, you can create and save your own light patterns, adding a personal touch. The built-in mic syncs the lamp to music, creating a dynamic experience as it reacts to your favorite tunes. Ideal for bedroom decor, it also supports scheduling to turn on-off automatically, helping set the perfect ambiance for any time of day. This smart plug makes home life easier and more convenient. You can control lights, fans, or other devices using voice commands through popular assistants. It connects through Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, so it's stable and fast. You can schedule devices to turn on or off automatically, helping you save energy. It also lets you control multiple plugs at once with one tap. The design is compact, so it doesn't block other outlets, and setup is quick using a mobile app. You can even share control with family members. It's a simple way to start building a smart home without needing extra hubs. This hanging organizer is perfect for saving space at home. It fits over most doors and gives you 9 shelves to store spices, jars, or bathroom items. Made from strong metal, it holds heavy items without bending. No tools are needed, just hang it up and use. It works in kitchens, bathrooms, or bedrooms. A simple way to keep things tidy without taking up floor space. This simple cap kit lets you flip the bottle upside down so gravity does the work. No more shaking, cutting, or squeezing endlessly. Just twist it on, let it stand, and every drop flows out with ease. It fits most plastic bottles and comes with adapters for different sizes. Great for thick liquids like conditioner, body wash, or sauces. It's clean, reusable, and super handy in the bathroom, kitchen, or on the go. Save time, save product, and make life easier with this smart little tool. The smokeless indoor grill brings BBQ flavor inside. The adjustable heat lets you cook from warm to sear. The non-stick surface helps food slide off with ease. The water tray cuts smoke by cooling grease. The large surface fits veggies, meat, or fish. The parts come off for quick dishwasher cleanup. The cool touch handles and auto shutoff keep it safe. The perfect grill for year-round meals indoors. The electric ceiling mount flips your TV down with ease. The strong steel frame holds screens from small to large. The remote lets you tilt and adjust the angle smoothly. The design fits flat or sloped ceilings. The setup is simple, with all hardware included. The mount keeps your space clean and stylish. The support handles heavy TVs with no problem. This wall-mounted towel rack from KES offers a sleek and practical way to keep multiple towels organized. Its swing-out arms rotate smoothly, making it easy to hang or grab a towel without hassle. Made from high-quality stainless steel with a brushed finish, it resists rust and adds a modern touch to any bathroom. The design is both space-saving and sturdy, with thoughtful details like end caps to keep towels securely in place. This black and gold pendant light from B&H blends modern elegance with energy-saving performance. Featuring bubble-inspired crystal accents, it casts a soft, eye-catching glow that enhances any space. The adjustable hanging length and dimmable LED design make it a versatile choice for kitchens, dining rooms, or living areas. Its sleek build and easy installation add both style and convenience to your home. The Zulai Kitchen Premium Garlic Press Set is a must-have for any kitchen, designed to make crushing garlic and ginger effortless. With its rust-resistant, food-grade construction and ergonomic handle, it ensures durability and comfort. The silicone peeler removes garlic skins without the lingering odor, while the easy-to-clean design adds convenience. This versatile tool can also crush seeds, nuts, and even onions, making it a valuable addition to both professional and home kitchens. Backed by a lifetime warranty, it's a reliable and efficient choice for any cooking enthusiast. The KP Kitchen Pancake Batter Dispenser is the perfect tool for achieving flawless pancakes, waffles, muffins, and more. Made from high-quality, BPA-free plastic, it features a 4-cup capacity and a wide mouth for easy filling. The redesigned handle and fail-safe valve ensure durability and prevent leaks, keeping your kitchen clean. With its portion-controlled dispensing, you can create consistent-sized pancakes and other baked goods with ease. Versatile and easy to use, it's a must-have for any kitchen, backed by a 3-year guarantee for peace of mind. The Pure Enrichment, Pure Glow crystal combines the therapeutic benefits of a Himalayan salt lamp and an essential oil diffuser in one sleek design. This 2-in-1 device features a 160-milliliter water tank for up to 16 hours of aromatherapy, while the heated salt lamp naturally ionizes the air, promoting a healthier environment. The soft pink glow can be adjusted with 5 light levels, creating a relaxing atmosphere ideal for meditation, reading, or yoga. Backed by a 5-year warranty, it's a perfect addition to any wellness-inspired space. The cordless air duster is perfect for quickly cleaning dust from tight spaces like keyboards, laptops, and car interiors. It uses a strong motor to blow away debris without needing harmful canned air. The design is lightweight and easy to hold, making it comfortable to use for longer sessions. With multiple airflow settings, it adjusts easily to suit different tasks. The rechargeable battery charges fast and lasts long, helping you clean without interruption. Made from durable materials, it stays cool while working and handles tough jobs with ease. This smart tool is great for home, office, or travel use. The Govee TV LED backlight is perfect for creating a vibrant atmosphere behind your screen. It wraps around TVs from 55 to 65 inches, adding dynamic lighting that reacts to music and enhances your viewing experience. You can control the lights with your voice using Alexa or Google Assistant, or with the app over Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. With dozens of preset scenes and a built-in mic, it sets the mood whether you're gaming, watching movies, or relaxing. Easy to install and full of color, it brings your entertainment space to life. The ThermoPro TP50 digital hygrometer is perfect for keeping track of indoor temperature and humidity with ease. It shows if your air is dry, comfortable, or wet at a glance. The display updates quickly and accurately, helping you stay aware of changes in your home. It also tracks high and low readings so you can monitor trends over time. This compact tool fits anywhere, on a table, wall, or fridge, making it a simple way to create a healthier living space. The 4L electric composter from Filson is perfect for turning daily kitchen scraps into fertilizer without the mess. It runs quietly with a smart LED display and offers 3 composting modes for different needs. The dual carbon filters help keep your kitchen odor-free, while the auto clean button makes maintenance simple. Its compact design fits easily on a countertop and handles food waste efficiently, even small bones. Great for anyone looking to reduce waste and support a greener lifestyle at home or in the garden. The iDo hydroponic growing system makes it easy to grow fresh herbs and veggies right in your kitchen. With built-in lights, a quiet fan, and auto timer, it mimics outdoor conditions for faster growth. You can grow up to a dozen plants at once, and the adjustable height fits different plant stages. The water tank keeps things running for days, and setup is simple. A great gift for anyone who loves gardening or cooking at home.